Hey, thank you so much for coming to my studio. It's always fantastic to hang out, talk about art, go over techniques together. Today we are going to go over aspects of painting the portrait in airbrush, such as how to remask, cut out another area to create hard edges, and also make sure that we don't contaminate one area of the painting with another color. It's very cool. It's very informative. So let's go on to the painting. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. This way you can follow along the full tutorial of this airbrush portrait lesson, as well as portrait lessons that I do in pencil and pastel. It's definitely something that you don't want to miss, so go ahead and subscribe. Also, I do some tech gear for artists, and I also do some advice for artists, which I think is priceless, and it's going to help you on your journey of being an artist. So, on to the video. I removed the frisket from her blouse and reapplied the frisket to her face. Rather than going straight in with color, I apply a quick light underpainting of the blouse. Remember that the underpainting needs to be at least 2 values lighter. The aggressive eraser that I use is the Faber-Castell Perfection Eraser. Now for the color, I mixed 3 values of purple. I have the light, middle, and dark purple. I went and removed a frisket on her head in order to begin painting her hair. I employ freehand shields to re-establish the hard edges of her ear. Being also a classically trained pastel painter, I know the importance of vibrant colors underneath black areas. Scratching in details with this super smooth surface is a delicate operation, so go lightly. Make sure you darken the hair slowly. Build up the surface to attain the texture of soft hair.
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice.
The hairline will be done later with small paintbrushes to achieve this delicate detail.
'Cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you. You're standing by that window, playing your guitar. And if I close my eyes, I can almost hear your song. A picture of you. A picture of you.
In between layers of painting the hair, lightly scratch in some details, keeping some light and some dark.
Every day that I spent with you, the look you had upon your face when I said goodbye. I don't know why I let you go, but I was young and dumb, and all that I have left from that time is a picture of you. I could talk to you for hours, and we'd stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away.
Links to all the supplies I use in this video are in the description field below. Again for coming to my studio, hanging out with me. I hope you really enjoyed part 3 of painting the portrait in Airbrush, the first tutorial of 2018. Stick around for part 4, should be out within a week, and we also have on this channel how to draw the portrait like the old masters, which is very exciting. So thanks a lot, have a great week, you take care of yourselves, bye.